Hey y'all, it's Crystal from Triple C Creations Crafting, coming to you from the beautiful North Georgia mountains, the Blue Ridge Mountains. I am still in North Georgia. I'm still in the Blue Ridge Mountain, but we are on spring break, so we're actually at Rayburn Gap this week. And I have been out. This is our first day, but I did hit up the Dollar Tree, and I got to hit one thrift store. And then I actually ended up making some unusual craft supply purchases at Walmart. I don't know, it just kind of hit me, and I was in the urge to. I'm wanting to craft, and I hadn't got to yet today, so I spent just a little bit of money. All right, so if you've heard me talk about Dollar Tree, it is a great place to craft. What case?
Whenever you said you spent just a little money, that might be a little bit of an
I didn't spend that much money on craft supplies, though. I really didn't. I'll tell you how much I spent. But my Dollar Tree at home is not very good, so I always like to go to Dollar Tree when I'm out of town and see what they got. Now, I did bring crafting stuff with me, but I was thinking there was some things that I probably did not have. So I really went in search of these two things, and I've opened this one. I want to keep a black permanent marker in my travel bag, and I did not even get to look at my travel bag before we left. And the reason I want a black Sharpie, I said permanent, but just a black marker, is so that I can ink up the edges of things. So I actually usually like a black one and a brown one that I keep with me. So I don't know, I haven't even looked in my little bag that I have with my tools in it. And then I wanted a black pen because I was thinking about doing some stitches, and I wasn't sure if that was something I packed or if it was something I had even left it in my bag. So I did get these two things, and I've opened this one. This is a 2-pack R2 Power, I think it says Power, or no, R2 Roller. Sorry. But y'all, this writes really good. So far, I was writing on some things, and I really liked how it wrote. Now, let's see. Okay, it does smear though. So, and that was one thing I wasn't sure about. It says rollerballs, but it's almost, it does seem very wet. I don't know, it's a good thick line. I was at the Dollar Tree, maybe too thick for what I wanted it for. Oh, it's actually bleeding, like, as I write, it gets wider, I think. Ooh, I'll have to try it out. I do like how it writes, though, and maybe it's just this paper. I do like how it writes, though. So even if I don't use it for stitches, making stitches on cards, I'll use it for something else. 0.7, so that is pretty big. All right, and then this is a 4-pack. I do use a lot of black Sharpies. I mean, you need black Sharpies around the house. So I just went ahead and got the 4-pack of those. They do carry the Sharpie brand, but I think it was only a 1-pack maybe for a Sharpie brand, so I went ahead and got the 4. All right, then, so that was what I was like planning to get, but you have to look around. All right, so in the cake decorating set, now what really caught my eye about this is this big ball, because I have the little ones, but I wanted the big ones because I've seen where people have taken that on their flowers, and they rub the flowers and it makes it curl up. So I don't have a big one. So I got this, $1.25, and I really got it just for this one tool. I don't know what I'll do with the other ones, but I think $1.25 for that one tool. I don't think I could have probably got it from Temu or I definitely couldn't have got it from Amazon for cheaper than that. And I'll see if it's something I like. Okay, and then, now I have gotten these before, but these are the little wooden, not die cuts, because they're actually like laser cut, I know, because I have a laser. But I have not seen this set. So this has a crown, a cloud, butterfly, a little bird, perfect for spring, flower, mushroom, leaf, heart, and an owl. So there's another set, and they did have the other set there that's like it's like a car and a bicycle, a camera. It's like a travel set, and I've got that. I maybe have 2 of those, but I did not have this set, so I went ahead and got it. So those are the things I got at the thrift store. Oh, sorry, Dollar Tree. Then I actually went to the thrift store next, and I found this. It's a Vera Bradley coloring book. Now, I'm always looking for small coloring books because I have found that when I'm at church, I really do better if I'm doing something. It actually helps me focus on the sermon. Now, like some people are doodlers. I'm not a doodler. but I am a colorer. And when I'm doing this, I can block out my kids. You know, my kid's sitting over here, so I can do that. I can block out my kids, and instead of like listening to them gripe and complain or rattle candy papers, I can listen to the preacher if I am coloring. Now there was
you know I'm sitting right here.
I do. Now there was a couple, and I tore these out that were colored, and I really wasn't, you know, I didn't think I could fix them. One was colored very good though. But I thought that, you know, these are they're small. I could put them I could stick them in my Bible, and then I could color them. They're very thick. They're made to be, I think, like giveaway, but they're very thick. And then I threw these away, and then I went back and got them because I thought I could test out my alcohol markers on this paper to see if it's going to go through. Also, I may just cut out the sentiments. This says glitter, sparkle, shine, but most of all, be kind. And this says, be the sunshine in someone's rainy day. So I'm going to use the other side of this for something else. And like I said, then I can also try out my alcohol markers and see how they do on this paper. But it is very thick cardstock. So, and they tear out, like I said, they're meant to be a gift. But some of these, I think they're probably too wide for my alcohol markers, maybe. I'm just getting used to them. And I really like them. I'm learning some cool techniques with them the more I use them. They were a thrift store find too, by the way. Okay, then I went to Walmart, and I've just written the prices on these, but I did bring my colored pencils. Actually, I brought a new set of colored pencils that were given to me at Christmas. I've not used them, and I actually looked at the Dollar Tree for one of the Crayola sharpeners. I like the Crayola ones. Did not see any, and I've kind of learned with their off-brand sharpeners, you get what you pay for. I didn't, but like I said, I do like the Crayola ones. I didn't see any of those at this one. And one thing about them is they hold the shavings, so they don't get lost. But I went to Walmart, and, you know, I decided I'm just going to pay a little bit more and get a good pencil sharpener to go with my new set of colored pencils. So this was $2.84, which is still not bad. And it actually specifically says it works with colored pencils. So, I'm excited to try that. And you can like set it down here, like if you want a fine point or if you want a blunt point. And typically your colored pencils, you don't want them if you get them, I think too pointy, like come to a point, then that's when they start breaking. So that's cool. Okay, I got that. Now the paper clips, what am I going to do with paper clips? These were $1.27 for 100 paper clips. I saw a thing, Pinterest maybe, and somebody had made ties, like men's neckties out of scrap paper. And then they had taken a paper clip and made a tiny hanger. So that's why I got these. I didn't have any paper clips at home. Father's Day will be coming up before we know it in June. Yes, Mother's Day is May, Father's Day is June. So I wanted to try that. Now I don't know if I'll get to make those while I'm on vacation. I might need some pliers. And I didn't bring any pliers with me, I don't think. I don't know, Mark may have some in his truck. My husband may have some, we'll see. And then I got a mini stapler, and y'all, this was $1.48. I had actually looked for one of these at the Dollar Tree too when I was there. But it's cute, it's teal. It comes with 1,000 staples. Now I've been wanting a mini stapler, and that like it makes small, like it has small staples for embellishments. But then I got to thinking, you know, it would be nice just to have one with me in my travel bag. And then when I found this one that was teal, it was even better. So that is my small crafty haul from day one of spring break. And we may have some more videos where I am doing some crafting while I'm on spring break. I did get my camera set up. I did bring my my stand. I pinched myself on my camera stand, and you know what? It's gone away now. I did have this big, huge bruise on my hand, but it's gone away now. Good. It was really sore. Okay. Anyways, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I've hit that 500 mark. I'm actually, you know, inching my way above it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, see you later.